Welcome to this video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about two particular airdrop that I'm so excited about. Now, what is this airdrop all about? I'm talking about what? Zksync and ZigZag exchange. Now, what is Zksync? Zksync is another Ethereum layer 2 scaling solution, and ZigZag exchange is one of the desks on the Zksync network. So you need to watch this video to the very end to see how you can activate your wallet and take advantage of these two airdrops that can worth a lot of money. Now, guess what? You'll be getting the Zksync airdrop, and at the same time, be getting the ZigZag exchange airdrop. It's going to be very, very massive and hot. You need to watch this video to the very end. Before we go straight to the video, I want to welcome you to Deep Tutors. In Deep Tutors, we focus in giving people the knowledge, the information, and the best content out there to help them make the right decision in cryptocurrency. If you like what you're seeing, click on the like button and click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you can get a lot of our videos whenever we put it out there. Now, let's go straight into the video. Let me show you how you can qualify for these two powerful airdrops you don't need to miss. Thank you. See you there. Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can participate on Zksync potential airdrop coming up very, very soon. How you can participate in it. Now, what is Zksync? Zksync is part of the Ethereum layer 2 scaling solution. If you don't know what is Ethereum layer 2 scaling solution, check the link on the description below. There's a video I made about Ethereum layer 2 scaling solution. Now, the video will explain to you everything about the Ethereum layer 2 scaling solution. Now let's go straight into the video. Let me show you how you can qualify for this airdrop. Now the next thing you need to do is to go to their website, which is what? Zksync.io. Now when you get here, this is the page you're going to find yourself. You will do this thing in your PC. But before you do this, make sure you have already connected your MetaMask. You have your Ethereum already in your MetaMask. You can see I have my Ethereum MetaMask right here. I have 178 Ethereum on my MetaMask that I want to use to perform this transaction to show you how you can participate in this airdrop. The next thing you will do is to click on Open Wallet. If you click on Open Wallet, it will take you to a place called wallet.zksync.io. Now this is where you find yourself. The first thing you need to do is to connect your layer 1 wallet. Now you connect your Ethereum wallet, connect it. Now you click on MetaMask, because why? We are using MetaMask for this transaction. You click on MetaMask. Now the thing you need to do is for you to add funds. Now you must already have your fund already on your layer 1 blockchain. You click on add fund. Now when you click on add fund, there are so many ways you can add fund here. You can use card, or if you already send your Ethereum on your layer 1, you don't need to use the ramp or this one. You don't need to use it. The next thing you should do is to click on the balance of the Ethereum that you have. Now this is the balance of the Ethereum that we have. Click on it. It's 5 Ethereum, 0.05 Ethereum. Click on add funds. You click on add funds. Okay, let's reject this transaction first. Click on add funds. Oh wow, they are not yet accepting it. All right, let's reduce it to 0.03, 0.03. Let's say 0.04. 0.04. Let's click on add funds. All right, let's go ahead and swap it. Let's confirm it. If you like what you're seeing, don't forget to click on the link, the subscribe button, the bell notification, so you can also get our notification whenever we post out a new video. So let's allow the Ethereum to arrive. I will come back to show you what we'll do next. All right. We have received our Ethereum. Now I've successfully bridged the Ethereum from layer 1 to layer 2. Now you saw what I did. I clicked on I came to Zksync, I click on add funds, and I automatically add my Ethereum to this place. And remember what I did? You must already have your Ethereum already in your wallet before you perform this transaction. All right, After you are done with this, automatically you are eligible for this airdrop. You're eligible for this airdrop. You can see the Ethereum is currently on the layer 2 right now. Now, what should we do next? Now, the next thing you should do is to go to a website called trade.zigzag.exchange. Now, all the links will be on the description below. All right, so this is trade.zigzag.exchange. Now, once you come here, now this is what you will see, this interface. The first thing you will do is to connect your wallet. As you can see, my wallet is already connected. Now, what will you do here? You need to perform a trade, like the way you will just transact your Ethereum, swap your Ethereum to USDC. Now, this is what you're going to do here. Now, the benefit of doing it here is this. When you do it here, you stand a chance to win 2 airdrops. One, the Zksync and the ZigZag exchange. Now, you are using one transaction to be making 2 money from Zksync and ZigZag exchange. Now, let's go ahead to buy USDC using my Ethereum. So let me refresh this to see if I will connect wallet. I'll see an option to connect wallet, so you see how you do it. Okay, my wallet is already connected. Now, my wallet is already connected. Now, the next thing is to come down here. Now, we want to swap our Ethereum to USDC. Now, you don't choose a limit order. Please choose market order. Choose market order. Then choose market order. So once you choose market order, you want to buy USDC. You click on sell. You click on sell. Then you click on sign. You want to buy USDC. Okay, you can see the transaction. Your sell order of 0.34 ETH at this price was filled. Okay, now I've already sold my Ethereum to USDC. Now, this is what I just did. I just performed a transaction, and guess what? I've provided liquidity at trade.zigzag.exchange. Now, it's amazing how you can do this thing and qualify for this amazing airdrop. Now, what will you do next? You have to swap your USDC back to Ethereum because I don't need the USDC. So let me go ahead and do it. You come to buy here. Now you have to, drag this thing 100%, drag it to 100%, and click on buy. You are buying Ethereum with your USDC. Click on sign in. Now let's wait for the order to fill. All right, you can see the order has been filled already. Now I've automatically provided liquidity, and I have a chance to qualify for 2 airdrop. One is Zksync, another one is ZigZag exchange. Now, if you like what you see, I want you to click on this like button, click on the subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you can get notification anytime we drop any new video. Now, what will you do next? Now, come to bridge here. You can see bridge on top of the exchange. You can see bridge. Come here. Now, what do you do here? What will you do here? You have to bridge the Ethereum you have in your layer 2 on the Zksync wallet. Bridge it back to your layer 1. Just come here, switch it. Now you are bridging your Ethereum from the layer 2 back to layer 1. So that is just the thing. So you click on max. Click on max, then you click on transfer. Click on sign in. All right, you can see I've automatically withdrawn my Ethereum back. Now you just activated your wallet by doing this thing. After doing everything, you also withdraw your money back to your Ethereum wallet. So this is the end of the video. If you like what you see, don't forget to click the like button, click the subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification. See you on the next video.